This is the brief on Robert Sapolsky's book, Behave. Sapolsky completely dismantles the idea that our behavior comes down to just one single cause, showing us how every action, whether it's extreme violence or incredible altruism, is actually the result of a massive biological timeline stretching back millions of years. First, we've got to stop thinking in buckets. You literally cannot separate biology from culture. To figure out why we do what we do, you have to look at the whole timeline. It's this wild chain reaction, starting with neurobiology just 1 second ago, tracing back to sensory triggers, shifting hormones, and eventually reaching deep into our childhood and ancient evolutionary pressures. Second, your brain is in a constant, intense negotiation between impulse and control. Basically, it's a turf war between the amygdala, which handles fear and aggression, and the frontal cortex, the rational decider, helping us do the harder right thing. Think about Phineas Gage. He was a responsible foreman who turned completely reckless after an accident destroyed his frontal cortex. Without that biological brake on his impulses, he became a totally different guy. Finally, hormones are about context, not cause. We really need to drop the myths here. Testosterone doesn't just cause aggression. It amplifies whatever behavior maintains your status. If your culture rewards generosity, testosterone actually makes you way more generous. And oxytocin? It isn't just a simple love hormone. Sure, it bonds us tightly to our in-group, but it often cranks up aggression toward outsiders. So human behavior is never just about one gene or hormone, but neurobiology, our environment, and evolution all working together. Ultimately, biology doesn't seal our fate, but understanding it shows exactly how context shapes our absolute best and worst moments.